Hey everybody, this is Justin with Saunders Realty, and I'm excited to show you some new apartments that we have up for rent. These are the Sterling Pointe apartments at 820 West 7th Street in Winston Salem. These are very convenient to downtown. We'll begin by giving you a quick shot of our surroundings here. So we are on 7th right here. At that stop sign is West End Boulevard. And then at this stop sign is Broad Street. It's coming in the front door. This comes right into the living room. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. This is the kitchen. This door leads out to parking behind the apartment. Kitchen includes stainless steel refrigerator, oven, and microwave. Has a tile backsplash. This is the bathroom. This is one of the 2 bedrooms. Linen closet. And this is the other bedroom. So again, this has been Justin with Saunders Realty. If you'd like to take a look at this apartment in person, you can visit our website at rentwinston.com. You can call our office at 336-939-6275 or email us at info@srealtynow.com.